North Korea, I told you to do the dishes. Why aren't you doing them? Well, because I have to listen to you, stupid idiot. North Korea, you are getting on my nerves because I already told you twice to do the dishes and you still do not do them. Do them now. No means no, and I'm still not doing it, so shut up. North Korea, this is your final warning. If you don't do these dishes right now, you are not going to, die another day without going to the emergency room. So do those dishes now. I said no, and that means no, so shut the fuck up. You know what, North Korea? You're done. Oh, hope of Canada, you don't mean it. Do those dishes right now, North Korea. No, I said no.